Namaste guys. So I was browsing the Facebook and I saw some guy post. So he is facing this issue and he don't know how to make it correctly. So when I was a beginner, I also do this kind of mistake, and so I was wondering. So I was wondering how to make it correctly. Okay. So I want to make a shape like this. So how to make it? Okay. So this is a common beginner mistakes. I have make a playlist for this. So this is a part of that playlist. So let's see how to make it. Okay. So before I start making, let's see when I was a beginner what I have tried to do to make this part. So select the front plane, escape. Now go to features, click on revolve boss base, click on yes. So click OK. You can increase or decrease the thickness as per your requirement of the pipe. Okay. Click OK. Now here I've made it. Now here comes the difficult part. How to make this one? So when I was a beginner, you can see that what I have done. So when I was beginner, this is how I approach this problem. So what I have done is create draw a center line. Wait a minute. I first create a center line like this, and make rectangles. I have made rectangles, I know. And I go to features, click on revolve boss base, select this as a center line, and click on selected counters. And I have made something like this. But if you look correctly, it is not a correct method. For example, when you do complex shapes or more, you will face issues. Okay, so this is a totally wrong method. I realize future onwards. So question is how to make it correctly. So delete this. Some people might think, hey man, this is correct method. No, this is a wrong method. When you will do complex shapes, you will realize you need to fix these things, and you will realize it is a very wrong method. Okay, trust me. So delete this. So let's see what is the right method. Select the right plane, click on sketch, press Ctrl plus 8. Now draw a circle and go to features. Now watch carefully what are the steps I am going to do, because if you skip any step, you will not able to understand what the hell is going on. And if you are beginner and you do lot of mistakes, then I highly recommend go to description, check out the playlist of basics mistakes done by the beginners. Okay. So let's give the thickness of the pipe. Okay. So this is basically my inner diameter and this is the thickness. Somebody say, hey man, I just know the outer diameter and the thickness. So what you can do is simply click on reverse direction, and this will going to be your outer diameter and this is your thickness. Okay. It is a very simple work. Again, it is up to you how you will use it. Now give it a student as per your requirement. Okay. Now some people say, hey man, it is not looking correct. I know. So what you need to do is click on sketch plane, click on offset. I'm, you know, uh, playing with advanced things, so bear with me. So now increase the offset. Now some people might say, what the hell is this? And what is mean by offset? So what is mean by offset is that basically, if you remember correctly, I have made this sketch on right plane. So what offset does is that it offset the sketch from 90 mm, okay, from here. So it is total extrusion is 90 plus 170 mm. Okay. Now, but again the main thing is, hey man, that I want to touch this surface to here, and you will not able to see it. So what you need to do is click on direction 2, click here, click on up to surface, and select the surface. You see it merging very correctly with the surface. So it doesn't matter how complex or curved shapes you have, it can merge correctly. And just for your knowledge, suppose you have a log curve or some other else curve, okay, then it will work very good. But in case you are using my previous method that I've shown that I'm saying wrong, that method will not curve with log curve or something else. For example, you are doing surfacing, then that method will not work. So I highly recommend use this method. And if I click OK, you see it's quite good. Now let's reduce the diameter because it's touching the upper side. Let's say the diameter is 50 mm. Click OK. Now try to give fillet. Let's say 5 mm. Click OK. And where now let's see how to extrude cut. OK, also select this, convert entities, and go to features, extrude cut. Now some people will say, hey man, just what you need to do is simply select this arrow and move it forward like this. No, this is again a wrong method, wrong approach. You need to use up to surface. When you will make complex shapes, you will realize why I'm doing it. Okay, click OK. You see, it's cut properly and clearly without any problems or issues. And again, if you want to use fillet or chamfer or anything else, you can use easily. So this is the best way to make it. You can see. So this is the best way to make these kind of things. So again, I hope you learn something from this video. If you want to learn more about beginner mistakes done by the beginners, check out the playlist link in description. You will learn a lot of things. What are the mistakes done by the beginners, how to resolve them, what is the professional way to do it. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, just ask in comments. Okay, thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.